U Myntri Rangbah ka jylla u Conrad K Sangma mentakasngi ula Plie Paidbah iaka karkhana shna plywood kabala tip kum ka Dhar Ply kabala long try da uma ngaitlang Dhar kabadon hasnong narbong bornihat hariboy district lasan ran lang ya U Myntri Rangbah ha kani kasngi da ki arngut ki sembut Myntri Rangbah ka jylla katau wa prestun tensong bat umas nyau bhalang Dhar nalor ki menteri ka sarkar jylla ki MLA MDC lembat ki officer ki balawan bansa khilang ya kate ka jingyalang la sakhiru ha kani kasngi da ka jingya don rangkat ki bahaying hasem ki parlok parajor bat ki ba ij bathon jong ka ying kasem jong uma ngaitlang Dhar ki balawan bansaki ya ka jingpli Paidbah ya kate ka karkhana shna plywood ka bade ka karkhana ka bahe bat ka badon kam mantre da ki spangut ki nong tre hapo kate ka karkhana shna plywood haba jingkren ha kani kasngi u Conrad K Sangma boduba prestun tensong kila ai ka jingyaro yo ma ngaitlang Dhar bat ya ka ying kasem jong u ki balala ban punur long ya kate ka project ka bahe kila ongru ba kate ka karkhana kalala ban long ka weina ki karkhana shna plywood ki bahe ha ka jylla Meghalaya bat sha ka jylla shatela mingi.
At the very outset, I would like to thank Ma Naitlang for having invited me to be part of this program. And I also would like to congratulate the entire team that has been behind the setting up of this magnificent factory, which I'm sure, apart from creating hundreds of job opportunities, is also going to be a factory and a unit known for its quality products and will be one of the better players in the entire plywood industry. Friends, in the last 8 years of the governance of our MDA government, we had set a vision in front of us. And that vision, which was to take forward our economy, create livelihood, and to make Meghalaya among the top 10 states in the country. This vision was driven by a very aggressive government policy to increase government spending, mobilize resources from all over the country, invest in infrastructure, invest in administrative strengthening, and also to create the environment where we would be able to bring in more and more private investment. It is only through these two major channels or two major factors can we see consistent growth in any state or country's gross domestic product. And as all of you know, that because of this consistent work that we have been doing, today Meghalaya's growth rate is above the national average. Meghalaya, in the last ranking, was the second fastest growing economy, competing with states like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, at that level, where many people never thought that Meghalaya could even dream of competing. And most importantly, the growth story of Meghalaya is not one where you simply see one spike and there's a growth in one particular year. which can happen accidentally. But Meghalaya's growth story has been very, very consistent. And if you look at the last 3 to 4 years, Meghalaya is the only state in the country which has grown consistently at real GDP growth of 10% on average, year on year, year on year. And friends, this can only happen if you have focus, if there is consistency in what we do, if there is confidence in the market and confidence in the infrastructure creation and confidence among the investors, that there is stability, there is political stability in Meghalaya, which leads to policy stability, which leads to consistency. And that is the story of Meghalaya in the last 8 years. But what is most important is that this journey is just beginning. We have just laid the foundations. We have miles to go and huge targets to achieve. But what I am most happy and satisfied is that people have started recognizing Meghalaya. People have started believing in Meghalaya. People have started seeing opportunities in Meghalaya. And that is why in almost every sector you are seeing that more and more players are desiring to come into Meghalaya, to partner with Meghalaya. Yesterday I had the opportunity to have a meeting with one of the global heads of UNICEF. And they work, as you know, in different aspects of children's health. Issues about infant mortality, issues about malnutrition. And you'll be happy to know that they were extremely satisfied and very excited to see the work that we are doing when it comes to areas of child health. We were at the bottom, less than 50% in 2018 in terms of immunization. That means 50% of our children were not getting immunized. In matter of 3 to 4 years after we took over, today Meghalaya is #2 position in the country in terms of children's immunization.